Hey there, welcome to the 31st session. In the previous session, we have created a subscription for creating order. In this session, we will add one more subscription. It will fire when the order status is changed. Client can subscribe for the specific type of order status. Open the event service, add region for the status update, create a read-only property for status update subject, add a method for status update event, and pass this in the status update subject. Create another method to obtain the observable from the subject. And push the both methods in the interface. We have updated the event service. Currently, event model just return the order ID. Now we will also return the order status. So add this property in it. Update the constructor. Default status will be created and set its value to the property. We also need to update the event data type and add a new field for that and return its value from the source. We have updated event service for updating status. So open the order detail service. In update status async, after saving the data, we need to fire the status update event and pass event data model. We have updated event service, model, type, and also fired that event while updating status. Now we need to update the subscription detail. Add a new field of type event stream field type. Name will be status update. Here we need to obtain the order status for which subscription will be performed. So add argument, non-null, order status in enum type, name will be status. It will return the event data type. In resolver, convert the context source to the event data model. In subscriber, create a new event stream resolver. Obtain the order status from the argument. Obtain the observable of a status update. Here this observable will contain the result for all kind of order status. But we are just interested in the status that pass in the argument. So filter out with the where. Save all the file, run the project, update the name of subscription. Let we are interested to just obtain the order having the in keychain status. For this, pass the order status equal in keychain and obtain the status in the result. Here the subscription is listening. Open the update status tab, execute this query, switch back to the subscription tab. Here we got the order ID as well as its status. If we have changed the status to anything else other than the in kitchen, it will not show the result in the subscription tab, as we have filtered out the result based on the status that pass in the parameter. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Here is a event service. We have created an instance of replace subject, methods for adding the data in it, as well as convert the subject to observable. It's like the previous session. Here is a subscription. We have passed the argument here. In the resolver, retrieve the argument and filter out the observable based on that argument. Stay tuned for the next session.